You want to switch? Pedal over to me and I'll put you on a big one.
Seriously?
This past summer, Teresa was able to get out with the niece and the nephew in the kayaks. Cadence would just sit in the nose, and they would just have a blast, just throwing and going. Every now and then, Cadence would have to help, though.
The reverse pedal drive. Where you lay down and pedal. Slack. You gotta give him a little slack. Hold on.
Big enough?
No.
Oh, dang it.
He's getting better, though. He's getting bigger. He's a little guy, ain't he? Hold on.
He's a little bit bigger than my other one.
What is it? What do we got?
He looks big now.
Making a lot of noise. Oh, he splashed us.
Teresa sure had a good time with the little ones on the warm summer flats. Well, those warm temps have given way to winter patterns. It's now much colder, the water's much colder, but I do want to take out the Youkali. Teresa and I haven't been in the Youkali in a good while.
Pretty day, low 70s, 5-mile-an-hour wind. You got to go in the ditch there, Hoss. All right, I'm going to have to push us out of here.
I don't know. Stay to this side. It's deeper over here. I think you may have done it. I think you may have got us out of there.
With the constant north wind blowing, these muddy upper bays have turned into gin clear water.
Fish on. It's a good red, I think. I got a good one, girl. I can't. Uh-huh. Yeah, we need to stake out, honey. We're blowing too fast.
I did think I was hung on bottom, and then the bottom started to move out slowly, and then it picked up a whole bunch of speed. This was a big, big fish, and he had a lot of oxygen in his system from this cold water.
Oh, he is moving. Keeper for sure.
I was about 5, 6, 7 minutes into this fight. I didn't know if I was ever going to get this guy in. With the wind blowing, it's just kind of crazy, and I hope I can keep him away from the anchor rope. Cooler water temps really give him a lot of power. Here we go. Fish grip in the lip. Now we can get this guy under control and get him in. He absolutely demolished my purple corky devil.
Well, he's over slot and he swallowed it. You're gonna have to keep him. We can tag him.
This guy's definitely over slot, and he's swallowed my corky devil so deep we might have to tag him and keep him.
It's a 30-inch bull red, people.
Yes, sir, he's a 30-inch bull. I don't think that he's going to survive with that corky in his throat, so we'll keep him.
It's in your hand now. You didn't film it. That never happened.
100%. I gave it to you. I gave it to you 100%. It's hanging around her freaking neck.
Catching bottom.
Yeah, you've hung every little oyster cluster around here.
I need to teach everybody the proper techniques to hook bottom. All the baits needed to use to hook bottom. Just about any of them will work.
Boy, this is beautiful water too. That's a nice trout, honey. Decided to get off the bank and drift. It's a good trout. Ooh. Come here. Don't have a net. Man, that's a big trout, honey. Got lost push pole. We were kicking up mud there for a minute. I was having to stand up front and drive with the push pole from up front. We're still kicking up mud, but I'm almost to the shallow stuff. Without a jack plate, the key is to get the weight as far forward as possible. I'm both going as far forward as we can. You don't want to go downwind and then get stuck and have to go against the wind to get out off a flat. Your motor won't run. Can't, and you got to push pole against the wind with a big boat like this being blown all sketchy. You end up walking home in the mud, and not good outcome either way.
As we were passing by at idle speed, Teresa spotted a redfish taking off, and she sight casted him, and he took it.
That was pretty cool.
I just threw it where he was headed.
Boom. Good job.
Well, it's time to take her on in. It's been a beautiful winter's day fishing. Like I said, the north winds make some of these muddy flats crystal clear. It's always fun to go up, move into the northern creeks and rivers and see what's biting.
Bandit Boats, Rockport, Texas.
Over that way.
Yeah, it's deeper on that side, yeah.
More towards the
Pilings?
island.
We got it, lady. We got it. Ooh, that's a Humpty Hump.